I'm just Junior by name, and if this is the first time you are coming across my video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell and give the video a thumbs up. So very quickly, I'll be showing you how you can add pop-up form like this to your, let me show you what I mean by pop-up form. How you can add pop-up form to your WordPress website from your backend. So I'm going to show you very quickly in just 2 single steps. This very pop-up form you're seeing, this subscribe to our newsletter, how you can add it from your backend to your WordPress website. Let me show you. So you go to your WordPress backend and you go to this sidebar you can see right here. So search for where you have plugins. This is where you have plugins, and you click on add new plugins. So I'm here already. So in search for new plugins, the name of the plugins we'll be looking for is what we call Firebox. So just search for Firebox and you're going to see this particular pop-up form, pop-up builder. Then install now. You install now. After installing now, you give it a little time to install and you activate the plugin, because if you only install without activating, you won't be able to use the plugin. So let's activate the plugin. So click on activate right here, the activate button you can see right here. Click on it and just give it a little time to load. So let's give it a little time to load. So we have our plugins. Let me show you. This is the plugin right here. You can use the free version, you can use the pro version. Then you scroll up to this side of the website, or better still, you can just click on this place you see right here, the Firebox. After activation, you will see this as your pop-up. Then click on new campaign. So let's create a campaign. And if you don't know what a pop-up form is actually a form where you can retarget people for email marketing, where you can send message to them, where you get their email address to send messages to them about a particular product or about something that is happening on your website. So we are going to create a new campaign. So you're back to the video again. So instead of clicking on this new campaign, just click on campaign. So it will take you to where we have this, and click on new campaign from this place. So like I said the other time, we can use the free version of the website. We can use the free version of the plugin rather. So this is the one we'll be using, and this is the same one we have on this website right here. So let's insert. We don't need to preview because we know what we're actually looking for. So let's just click on insert and we have to edit. So this is the subscribe block. So you can edit anything from here. You can just change anything you want to do here. You can highlight, change the color. This is the block section. You can put it in the middle, centralize it, change the heading. You can play with this one you have right here. You can change anything, change the color, even the button and everything. So when you're done editing, you can just put on the publish. You can publish it from this place. And the moment you're done publishing, you see this. But don't click on this thing. Just go to the website itself. This is the website, and refresh the website. So let's refresh the website and see. So as you can see, we have the pop-up form right here, but it's not actually in the right place. So let's try and check again. So maybe it's the particular design that we picked. Maybe that's why it's like that. But that's the process you can use to import your pop-up form into WordPress, have it on, and you can just go back to the back end of Firebox and pick another template you just want to input. And that will be all for this tutorial.